I really appreciated your effort, your dedication, and your positive vision that today or tonight we meet again in the same school and the same location. And I'm so happy that Cabilao High School alumni had symbol of unity, that regardless if you graduated or we graduated in Cabilao Community High School, Cabilao Barangay High School, Cabilao National High School, the most important, that we're willing to accept that we belong in one island, that we belong in one high school, and almost 100% of Cabilao High School alumni are native Cabilaonons or mga lumad nga mga Islahanon. And I think it's not hard to reunite again in this island with our fellow alumni. So as a product in a high school in Cabilao, I'm so proud because high school is the second level of our education before we become a professionals. And that's the time that we develop our fundamental strength and values to become a mature persons, to become a responsible persons. And if you notice that, since we built our high school in Cabilao, a lot of Cabilaonon became professional with different kind of profession. In medical professions, we have medical doctors, the product in our high school. We have dental doctor, nurses, pharmacists, medical technologists, midwives, and we have a lot of engineers also, civil engineer, mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, chemical engineers, and we have architectures, fine arts or artists, and we have aircraft mechanics, computer technician, computer programmer, computer designer, and we have a lot of commerce graduates, and a few of them became a certified public accountants, and right now they have stable job and they are in high level position, in managerial positions, so we're proud of that. And we have a lot of merchant marine and seamen, both in deck department and engine department. In deck department, we have from masters going down to third mate. In engine department, we have chief engineer going down to fourth engineer or third assistant engineer. And I'm hoping that they're proud to help our young Cabilaonon that to employ in their companies, especially those Cabilaonon that there's no experience yet. And we have a lot also of intelligent teachers that they were products in our high school. And right now they're trying to share their knowledge to our young Cabilaonon to learn. And remember that President John Kennedy said that the youth of today become a leaders for tomorrow. So we have to take care all the young Cabilaonon because they are the hope in our island. And someday they will become a leaders on our island and lead in our island to become a famous and progressive island, not only in Bohol, but to the entire Philippines. And because of our high school, a lot of Cabilaonon working abroad. They are working in any countries of Asia, in any countries of Middle East, in any countries of Africa, in any territories of Canada, and any states of America. And I am one among of those products in our high school that right now still working in United States of America. And I'm proud of myself because I am the first Lunanon, the first Cabilanon, the first product in our high school who became a U.S. Merchant Marine. O bisan sa kadaghan sa mga trials nga akong nagian isip usa ka marino sa Amerika, pero kanang tanan akong nalampasan. And right now I'm fully adjusted on their system, on their way of being a U.S. Merchant Marine. So kung mga bagtanon, ayaw sayangin ninyo ang inyong panahon. Ibuka ang inyong mga mata, itanaw sa layong dapit, kay dito inyong makita ang langit ng kahayag. Ang kahayag mo'y nagdiya nato sa atong kalampusan. Kining atong high school mo'y nakapagtabang o kalig-on sa atong pagkatao. Tungod kay kung wala ang high school, huyang usab ang atong pagkatao. Sama ka huyang sa usa ka panimalay o Pinoy-anan nga kung gani huyang ang iyang foundation, kung duna na'y unos o bagyo nga molabay, dali lang kinigugon, kusukusuhon sa hangin, ilabay sa kadagatan o sama sa gapnod, ipadpad lang in town sa baybayon. Sama ni anak kahuyang ang atong pagkatao kung wala ang atong high school. So I would like to express in front of our fellow alumni that we earned a lot in our high school in Cabilao. So busa, kamong mga bagtanon, karon atong gisaulog ang 40 anyos diin atong gitukod ang atong high school sa Cabilao, o karong gibiuna atong giumol pag-usab uban sa paghiusa sa atong mga high school alumni. Ug akong paninguhaon kaninyo nga unta inyong ipadayon ang inyong mainiton nga suporta nining atong high school, ang matamis natong pagmahal sa atong isla sa Cabilao. Tungod kay kung kita naglantaw nga dunay umaabot ang atong isla, kinahanglan nga kitang mga Cabilaonon nga mga alumni magkahiusa ug suportahan nato kung dunay tay project nga himuon nini sa atong isla sa Cabilao. Bisan ato sa layong dapit. Ato sa layong dapit sa Amerika. Pero atong gihimo nga unta makahatag, makashare ko sa atong alumni. O ako magpasalamat usab sa atong pamilya sa ilang suporta nga gihimo, labi na sa akong kapika sa kinabuhi si Banji, nga kung wala ko sa among balay, ato ako sa barko, gihimo ko siyang sekretary, siya mag-answer usahay sa akong Facebook. O bisan dili sila Cabilao High School alumni, dili sila natawon ini atong isla, pero ilang gipakita ang mainitong suporta sa atong isla sa Cabilao. So partner, kung madungog ninimo, daghan salamat Banji sa imong gibuhat, and you are my hero. So dako ko kayong pasalamat sa atong mga teachers kaniadto. Oh, I would like also to thank to all parents that to all the sacrifices that they did during our high school time, and even they had problems or they had hardship, but our parents did not stop of sending their children in high school. That's why the high school in Cabilao still stand and still survive for 40 years. So dungog kayo nato ang atong mga ginikanan nga nagpauspila. So para kanato, sila ang mga hero nining gabiuna. Tungod kay wala sila, wala po ta aning atong grand reunion. So palihog atong patindugon ang atong mga ginikanan nga niya ni tampong nining atong alumni karon, atong Grand High School alumni, palihog tindog mo tanang mga ginikanan nga nagpauskila og high school. Tindog mo palihog please, tindog ang tanan nga mga ginikanan nga nagpauskila og high school. Pag atong dasigon sa masibang pakpak ang tanang mga ginikanan nga nagpauskila nato, kay kung wala sila, wala ko tanan atong grand reunion karon. And I think this is the right time to end my simple message. What I can say, thanks for coming. God bless us always. Og mabuhay ang Kabilaw High School alumni. Thank you so much.